Well, should we just call this a win-win or victory in the camp of Atiku Abubakar as the judge in Illinois has ordered Chicago State University to release Tinubu's academic record to Atiku? Well, the question is, will they appeal to cause delay before Supreme Court's proceeding? The U.S. court orders Chicago's university to release Bola Tinubu's record to Atiku Abubakar within 2 days, certify authenticity on the oath. Thank you very much for joining us. It is a breaking news as court ruling in Chicago. Lenius, the judge, has ordered that Chicago State University, releases Tinubu's record. Well, that is coming on the heels of FBI releasing about 2,500 pages of records of Tinubu. Well, should we say that it's going to be a tough one for Tinubu to defend at this time. Now that it's going to be a happening from outside the country, not something that they can compromise or they can, manipulate here in Nigeria. Well, the Nigerian opposition leader said the documents would be used as part of his ongoing push to demonstrate Bola Tinubu's ineligibility to be Nigeria's president. Nigerian opposition leader Atiku Abubakar has landed a major victory in the United States as part of his ongoing push to demonstrate Bola Tinubu's ineligibility to be Nigeria's president. While the Federal High Court in Chicago ruled on Tuesday night that Chicago State University must turn over all records relating to Tinubu to Mr. Abubakar within 2 days, saying the former vice president has been able to sufficiently certify the purpose for seeking the record. According to the ruling seen by us, George Jeffrey Gilbert also ordered a deposition of designated CSU officials within 2 days after the records have been released, noting further that the process can be conducted during weekends if necessary. For all the reasons discussed above, Atiku Abubakar's application pursuant to 28 United USC 1782 for an order directing direct discovery from Chicago State University for use in a foreign proceeding ECF number 1 is granted. Mr. Gilbert ruled respondent CSU shall produce all relevant and non-privileged documents in response to requests for production numbers 1 through 4 as narrowed by the court in applicant's subpoena within 2 days of the entry of this memorandum, opinion, and order. Well, I want to say once again that this is victory for Atiku Abubakar. Well, let's see how all this pan out. Let's see how it's going to affect the Supreme Court ruling as Atiku has headed to court on a 51 ground. I think Obi had headed to court for with about 81 ground and all of that. And so these guys are heading to Supreme Court to still prove further that Bola Ahmed Tinubu shouldn't be Nigeria's president. Of course, let's see how all these are going to affect the ruling at the Supreme Court. Well, this is Serious Matters at Onif TV. Just said I should chip this in very quickly. We'll come back to give you updates as they unfold. In the meantime, please do drop your comment, make them simple and simple. Or may I say, or should I say, like I said earlier on, that how much of a tough time would this be for the attorneys and the lawyers of Tinubu to defend all these documents that are going to be unveiled? Well, this is Serious Matters. Please do share our videos with others, drop a comment, make them simple and civil. Thank you very much.